This week, TechChan is doing laundry with a portable washing machine. About the size of a Rubik cube, this gadget claims to be able to wash clothes with just water and no washing powder or liquids. The WASHWOW we first reviewed a while back had to be connected to a power supply while in use, but now its wireless version 2.0 is ready for crowdfunding. It has two built-in washing cycles of 20 or 25 minutes. With only pure water, I would say the wash will get rid of 60% of the stain. Yeah, obviously it's not a substitution of washing powder. And if you've watched our previous episode, the OG WASHWOW left a smell of chlorine on the laundry.
Smells like chlorine.
Ew. And this time for the WASHWOW 2, I'd say it's not that strong. It's susceptible. Stains aside, at least you can remove the smell on your clothes. Not a bad idea after Korean barbecue. Their secret, electrolysis. But it is not the first washing machine to use electrolysis to clean clothes though. In 2007, the Chinese company Haier launched a detergent-free washing machine. The electrolyzing process caused water to separate into hydroxide ions and hydrogen ions. The alkaline hydroxide ions penetrate clothes to remove dirt more effectively than ordinary water. The hydrogen ions act like bleach and acidify the water to sterilize clothes to kill bacteria. The reactive oxygen species produced can also decompose organic stains from food, blood, and in our case, coffee. But sadly, for inorganic stains like oil, grease, and clothing dye, they cannot be removed effectively with this gadget. So with this upgraded version, everyone can do laundry everywhere. Wait, not just clothes, fruit and veggies also. According to the manufacturer, that is.